How do onions grow? This picture shows a single seed very much magnified. Inside, the young onion plant is curled up. First comes out a hollow leaf with a root at the end of it. This root grows straight downwards. After a few days, the part just above the root tip begins to grow root hairs. Now look at a single hair. Inside it is full of liquid. The leaf now curls up into an elbow, which is strong enough to force its way through the surface of the ground. When it comes through, it looks like a little green loop. At this stage, a second root grows. More leaves appear. If you look at part of a leaf through a microscope, you will see tiny openings. Through these, the plant takes in gases from the air, and they can shut and open. The outside leaf tube begins to thicken near the ground. This thickening is the beginning of the onion bulb. In this model, you can see how the onion bulb develops. After a few days, roots begin to form at the base of each leaf in the bulb. This root growth you see here takes about 2 weeks. Above ground, leaves break out of the bulb and grow upwards. After the leaves are well grown, a pointed flower bud will appear at the end of a long stalk. The skin breaks in 4 pieces and the flowers begin to open. If you look closely at one flower head, you can see the flowers beginning to open. We'll take one flower here, remove the petals, and look inside. Here is a close view of one stamen, fully grown and opening to produce pollen, which is a very fine powder. Insects come to gather the pollen on which they feed. Pollen grains from another flower are stuck on the sugary end of the stigma here. The grains grow down the stigma. At the base are the onion seeds. The pollen tubes enter the seeds and fertilize them. The fertilized seeds ripen inside the seed cases on the onion head. When the seeds are ripe, the cases open. grow into a new onion plant.